about capillary reaction.
Okay, so now we turn this piece of paper right here into this, okay? And now we're gonna soak it inside 2 cups of water, and then it's gonna spread all the way to the other side and connect into a rainbow without using any color.
And that is called
Capillary reaction.
capillary action.
Yes.
Okay. Where did you learn this, Anya?
From Ryan.
From Ryan.
Yes.
And what are your names?
Liam and Anya.
All right.
Guys, so we cut the rainbow into half, and now I'm gonna put this side in one water and this side in one water, and see how long it takes to go in right inside the middle. And this is just a test. Okay, you ready?
Let's do it.
3, 2, 1. Okay, it's in the water.
It's forming a
Yep,
little.
it's going. The water's drawing. It's going up.
It's forming a little bit.
See, look. It's about to come up. See, look, right here. See, the brown is spreading.
And it's come to meet each other. We're doing another one of capillary reaction, and we are gonna do it now.
Okay,
So
do it.
we're doing another rainbow that we're gonna share. In the last one was just a test, so this one is gonna be the real thing.
Okay.
Okay, put it in.
Okay.
Careful. It's almost in. We just need to get this.
Oh, the other one is forming also.
Oh my goodness, it's forming already. Look how fast it is. Ladies and gentlemen, look what the end products look like.
Wow.
Dun, 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 dun.
That looks so awesome. So you just colored on 2 sides.
Yep,
You dipped
where
it-
you see the line.
Okay, and you dipped it in the water.
Mhm.
And then you let the color spread across.
Yep,
And that thing is called
Capillary reaction.
what is it again?
Capillary reaction.
Capillary action. Good job, you teamwork. Do you have your own YouTube channel?
no,
Would you like to get your own YouTube channel?
Yes.
And what will you call it?
Nyanya.
Nyanya Science Experiments?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh my